Once you've completed the reviewing and revising your resume module of the resume workshop, and you've finalized the information that you've entered into College Central Network, which we see here, then you're ready to finalize your resume by choosing a format and picking details such as font and margins. So to do that, you're going to come to the very top of your screen, and we're here in number 1, fill in resume components. That's what you've been working on. You're going to move over to button number 2, where it says preview resume, where you're able to choose a layout, adjust margins, and choose your font. So we'll go ahead and click preview. Now you're actually going to see what your resume will look like in its final formatted version. Now, there are a few layouts available to choose from, so if you don't particularly love this layout, you can come to the upper left-hand corner of your screen and click Edit Style Layout. And there are a few different options you can choose from. If you hover your mouse over each one, you get a little bit of a look at what the styles look like. So let's say maybe you prefer style number 4. All you have to do is click that button. The margins are here if you need to adjust them. Times New Roman is a great font to use on your resume, so you may just want to leave that as the default. You can move the font size here if you need to, although I would not go any lower than 10 for the size of your font for the body of your resume. You can also choose which file type you'd like to save as. You have the choice of a Word doc or an Adobe Acrobat PDF. And for now, I would recommend saving as a Word doc simply because if you need to make some small adjustments to the layout of your resume that you're unable to do in College Central Network, if you've saved as a Word document, you can download your file and make those final fixes if you have it that way. So we'll choose Word doc and we're going to click Save Layout. Okay. So now I see my resume in the format that I've chosen. I like the looks of that. I will come over to button number 3, which allows me to officially save my resume to College Central Network. And when I see this screen with the green bar at the top telling me my changes have been made, I know I've been successful.